No.
Yes.
Have you got a helmet on? No.
I don't have to wear a helmet.
No. But are you a sensible person?
Are you wearing a seatbelt?
Are you a sensible
Are you
person?
wearing a seatbelt?
No, you're not.
No, you are
No,
not.
because I've just took it off.
No, exactly, and you're on the road. So there is. I've got you for two offences.
Go
two offences.
I'm gonna fucking get you.
Are you? That's interesting. You're on camera. You're on camera.
Excuse me. Would you like that broken? Would you like it broken?
No, don't touch it.
Would you like it broken? Right, well get a fucking life or I'm gonna sort you out and your fucking camera. Sad little cunt.
Yep,
Why don't you get a car?
I've got a car.
Have you? You probably get banned from it because you're a cunt.
You've just committed an assault.
Park behind me, I'll knock you off. It's called legal.
Yeah, put your seatbelt on. That's
Put
good.
your fucking mouth shut! You are really pissing me off.
I know I am.
And you do this for a hobby? Fucking annoy people. I'm taking your camera.
Right. Try it.
I'm gonna fucking do it. Come on, you cunt. Take it.
Try it.
I'm gonna fucking do it. Come on, you cunt.